Get ready to unlock the secrets of passive income in the digital age. Explore the realm of faceless AI automation, turning your ideas into profit. Discover 5 free tools merging technology with creativity. From ChatGPT to Canva, harness their power to create a lucrative channel effortlessly. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities, where innovation meets opportunity. Let's embark on this journey together towards financial success. Our first tool, ChatGPT, is an artificial intelligence marvel. It communicates and engages with your audience seamlessly without revealing your face. With vast knowledge and conversational abilities, ChatGPT becomes your loyal companion, driving engagement and generating leads. Enter Canva, the second tool, with its intuitive interface and extensive template library. Canva empowers you to create stunning visuals, from eye-catching thumbnails to mesmerizing video overlays. Together with other mind-blowing tools, they form the foundation for building a marvelous video, transforming your ideas into captivating content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're a budding content creator, an entrepreneur seeking financial freedom, or someone looking to turn their passion into profit, this guide is your ultimate companion. Join us on a transformative journey in digital content creation, where we unlock the potential of a faceless AI-automated channel. With tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you'll effortlessly craft captivating videos. For instance, envision creating a video showcasing the top 10 interesting animals. Utilizing ChatGPT, you easily gather intriguing facts, enriching your content and engaging your audience. Get ready to make passive income a reality as we harness the power of innovation and creativity in the digital age. 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to name 10 interesting animals. 2. Choose any animal you like. 3. Ask ChatGPT to write 30 to 50 words with interesting facts about your chosen animal. You can make it longer if you like. 4. Copy those words to your clipboard. 5. Head to Play HT by clicking the link in my description. But first, let's understand what Play HT is. It's a text-to-speech tool that allows you to convert written text into natural-sounding audio. It provides a platform for generating high-quality voiceovers and audio narrations for various purposes such as videos, podcasts, e-learning courses, presentations, and more. 6. If you already have an account, click Login. If this is your first time here, click Create Free AI Voiceover, then enter your details or sign up with Google. 7. After signing in, click Create Audio and choose Ultra Realistic Voice. 8. Paste your script into the text box. You can choose another voice by clicking it. The voices vary in gender, age, accent, style, tempo, and more, which you can see on the header here. 9. Try playing with different voice samples until you find the one that you prefer. I'll use Cooper. To choose it, simply click the name, and you can see this button on the side. Click it and choose Apply to all paragraphs. 10. You can also change the speed. However, I'll use the default normal speed. If you're done customizing your voice, click Confirm. On the side, you'll see a green button saying Generate Preview. Click it and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done generating, click the play button and review the voice. If you don't like it, you can go through the process we did earlier and make some adjustments. Once you're satisfied with it, click the button to download your file. It'll download a WAV file, but don't worry, it's still good for our next step. To get started, head over to Canva's website. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. Simply locate the Sign Up button and click on it to begin the registration process. Once you're logged in, navigate to Canva's search bar and type in YouTube Shorts to find relevant templates and resources. Once you've found the desired result, click on it to explore further options. Next, click on the Create Blank File button to initiate the creation process. On the left sidebar of the interface, you'll notice an Upload option. Click on it and then select the WAV file that you recently downloaded. Allow the upload to complete, and once it's finished, grab hold of the uploaded file and drag it onto your work area. In case your audio file is compressed and needs to be extended, locate the white blank page element and click and drag it to your desired length. Then simply hold and drag your audio file to match the duration of the white blank page. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating YouTube Shorts using Canva's intuitive features. Now let's find captivating copyright-free visuals for your video. Luckily, there are several fantastic websites that offer an array of stunning stock footage without any copyright restrictions. For example, I'll be utilizing the reputable platform called Pexels. However, if you prefer, you can also explore the vast collection available on Pixabay, which is another great and exceptional website for high-quality stock images images and photos. In the rare instance that you can't find your desired visual on these platforms, don't fret. There are numerous alternative websites where you can continue your search. Now let's dive into Pexels and begin our exploration. To start, enter Tiger into the search bar, as we are specifically looking for visuals suitable for shorts. Once you've entered your search query, click on the Filter All Orientations option to further refine your search results and find the perfect visual content for your project. To save time on cropping pictures, it's advisable to choose the vertical orientation when searching for visuals. By doing so, you can find images that are already optimized for the vertical format commonly used in shorts. This way, you don't need to spend extra time adjusting or cropping the pictures to fit your project requirements. Now that you've refined your search by selecting the vertical orientation, you'll be able to easily locate the visuals that you're looking for. As you browse through the results, simply select the photos that are relevant and appealing to you. Here's a helpful tip. You don't necessarily have to download the photos separately and then upload them to Canva. Instead, you can streamline the process by directly holding onto the photo you like and dragging and dropping it into the Canva website. This convenient feature allows for a seamless integration of the selected visuals into your project. Now let's find video clips as well. For the videos, you have to download and upload them manually, but don't worry, it'll only take a few seconds or minutes, depending on your internet speed. Click Add Page and adjust your clips. Drag and drop your video and rearrange the pages to your liking. If your video has its original sound, click Volume and adjust it to 0 to mute it. Head back to Pexels and look for more photos and videos to match your audio's length. After that, click an image, right-click or press More, and then set the image as a background. Do the same for everything else. Let's say you're done. It's time to add background music. Let's use YouTube's very own audio library. Click your profile, then YouTube Studio, and then Audio Library. There's a wide range of tracks that you can choose from, and it's all free. To make it easier, let's filter it out. Click this button. Choose General, check Ambient, then Apply. Now listen and search for the one that you like. I'll choose this one. I'll click this download button to save my copy. Head back to Canva once it's done, then drag and drop it to your project. Adjust the position to match it with the rest. Now let's take a look at what we've created so far. If you think it's ready, download your file. Great job, but it's still missing something. We need subtitles. To get auto-generated subtitles, head to VEDAIO. I'd included it along with the other links that I've mentioned. Check it out in the description. Click New Video, create a project, then upload your video file. On the left sidebar, click Subtitles, then add subtitle. There are 100+ languages supported here, but I'll choose English. Wait for a few seconds to generate your subtitles, then play the video once it's done. If you'd like to change the style, click Styles. You can change the preset or choose your own font, style and size, colors, animations, and more. I'll stick with this. Now play your video back and review it. If you think some tags are delayed, just make a few adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, click Done, then Export Video. Wait for a few seconds. Now download the file and choose the format MP4. In closing, we wrap up our video. The pursuit of earning money for free in the online world can be both rewarding and exhilarating. However, it's crucial to approach it with caution, conduct thorough research, and be willing to exert the necessary efforts to attain success. Remember, success isn't merely about having ideas. It's about taking action and bringing those ideas to fruition. With the right mindset, knowledge, and determination, you can embark on your journey to financial prosperity and unlock the vast potential that the online realm holds. We extend our heartfelt thanks for watching. If you found this content valuable, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Fan Flicker. By doing so, you'll stay informed and engaged with our informative, attractive, and friendly content.